The sky is often a big part of the final image.
Yeah, I would agree with that statement for sure.
Right. It's such a big part of a photo, and I think a lot of times people kind of forget about that.
Sky replacement is a very powerful photo editing technique, especially in real estate, architecture, and outdoor photography. It brings life to exterior shots, and it helps overcome bad weather conditions. Real estate and architecture photography are a major part of my business, and I photographed nearly 4,000 properties. That's a lot of sky replacement.
I mean, it makes sense because think about it. Any photo you take outdoors, you're going to have a sky.
True.
And that sky can really affect how people feel when they look at your picture.
Yeah.
When it comes down to photo editing software, tools like Luminar Neo and Photoshop offer AI-powered sky replacement functions, making this process easier and more accessible than ever. As a full-time photographer with anywhere between 3 to 8 photo shoots a day, I needed a reliable asset library for efficient editing and fast delivery. That's why I created this collection in the first place. This isn't just another pack of sky images, it's a curated collection built with experience and practicality in mind, with clean and simple sky images with subtle gradients and some more dramatic moody clouds that add just the right amount of punch without distracting from the subject. These skies aren't just for real estate. They work for portraits, landscapes, commercial work, drone photography, weddings, whatever comes your way. The goal was simple: create a reliable set of skies to achieve realistic results without wasting time searching for the perfect replacement and have multiple options on hand. I wanted to have a collection that is large enough to recycle it with multiple jobs and manageable enough so it's not overwhelming. Inside, you'll find a collection of simple and beautiful skies that look great on their own. Most are photographed with a minimalistic approach designed for seamless blending with different scenes. This approach also preserves copy space, which is kind of important for commercial use, and gives the image a fresh, open look that works well for marketing and editorial projects. Sky replacement isn't always about the wrong sky. Sometimes you just have to change the mood of the final photograph. With 400 skies delivered at a massive resolution, photographed using a medium format camera, every image offers exceptional quality with outstanding tonal range, perfect for real estate, landscape, or architectural work. These skies will work for many lighting scenarios: morning blue, midday, golden hour, sunsets, twilights, and nighttime. So you'll find something for any type of project. You can make your work look highly polished and commercial, pastel, or vibrant, but most of all, you can make it look natural. When editing a photo series, maintaining consistency across images is extremely important. That's why this collection includes mini sets of skies, making it easier than ever to keep your edits on the right track. Sky replacement used to be a hustle, often requiring advanced skills. It is extremely simplified now with the AI sky replacement functions. Just import the collection with Luminar or Photoshop and you can start transforming your images right away. Each sky is photographed at the horizon line to maximize the use of sensor, and it's optimized for fast compositing, so there's no need for extra cropping or cleanup. Sky Solution Kit offers resolution and quality that even top stock images rarely match. High-resolution stock photos are expensive, and finding random sky images that are not designed for this purpose can be frustrating, especially when you have a set of photos from one location. Generative AI is improving every day too, but it can't match the creative control and precision of hand-picked collections with this quality and resolution. These skies are a fantastic final touch for any type of shoot. With smooth blending and clean composition, the collection keeps the focus on your subject, creating a natural, distraction-free look.
And you know what? I actually think it's pushing professional photographers to be even more creative and innovative with their sky replacements. Yeah, because now it's not just about fixing a bad sky. It's about using the sky to tell a story.
Yeah.
And to create a mood.
Right.
To really elevate the overall impact of the image.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
I've taken thousands of photos, narrowing down to the best selection of blue skies, twilights, cinematic skies, sunsets, and even nighttime shots. Some collections include a few similar skies, which is important when you want consistent results across multiple shots taken in similar conditions. JPEG quality is outstanding. Shot with medium format sensor, the quality is exceptional and it provides impressive detail, tonal range, and color. You will save a lot of time and you will dramatically speed up your workflow. You'll get professional results that will make your clients happy every time. With this collection, you'll be ready for any shooting scenario and consistently deliver outstanding images.